Depop Marketplace has gained immense popularity among fashion enthusiasts and resellers in recent years due to its unique features and user-friendly interface. If you're new to Depop and want to learn how to use it effectively, this guide will provide you with a step-by-step process to get started. Step 1. Sign up and create your profile. To sign up for Depop, visit the website and click on the Join button on the top right corner of the page. You can sign up using your email address or your Google account. Once you have signed up, you will be asked to create a profile. Here's what you need to do. 1. Upload a profile picture. This could be a picture of yourself, your brand logo, or any image that represents you. 2. Write a bio. This is a short description of who you are and what you sell. Make it interesting and engaging. 3. Add your location. This will help potential buyers know where you're based. 4. Link your social media accounts. This will help you promote your Depop store and reach a wider audience. Step 2. List your items. To list your items, click on the plus button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Here's what you need to do. 1. Add a title. This should be a descriptive and catchy name for your item. 2. Add a price. This is the amount you want to sell your item for. 3. Add a description. This is where you can provide more details about your item, such as its condition, size, and any unique features. 4. Add photos. This is where you can upload multiple high-quality images of your item from different angles. 5. Categorize your item. This will help potential buyers find your item easily. 6. Set your availability. This will help you manage your inventory and avoid overselling. Step 3. Promote your items. To promote your items and attract more buyers, you can 1. Use hashtags. This will help your items appear in search results and make them more discoverable. 2. Share your items on social media. This will help you reach a wider audience and promote your Depop store. Collaborate with other sellers. This will help you cross-promote your items and reach new audiences. 4. Participate in Depop events. This will help you connect with other sellers and buyers and promote your brand. Step 4. Communicate with buyers. To communicate with buyers and provide excellent customer service, you can 1. Respond to messages promptly. This will show your buyers that you're reliable and responsive. 2. Provide clear and detailed information. This will help your buyers make informed decisions and avoid misunderstandings. 3. Be polite and professional. This will help you build a positive reputation and attract more buyers. 4. Follow up with your buyers. This will help you build a loyal customer base and encourage repeat business. Step 5. Manage your finances. To manage your finances and maximize your profits, you can 1. Set competitive prices. This will help you attract more buyers and sell your items faster. 2. Offer discounts and promotions. This will help you stand out from other sellers and attract more buyers. 3. Keep track of your expenses. This will help you calculate your profit margins and make informed decisions. 4. Use Depop's payment and shipping features. This will help you streamline your sales process and avoid any potential issues. Step 6. Grow your Depop store. To grow your Depop store and increase your sales, you can 1. Expand your product range. This will help you attract more buyers and increase your sales volume. 2. Collaborate with other sellers. This will help you cross-promote your items and reach new audiences. 3. Participate in Depop events. This will help you connect with other sellers and buyers and promote your brand. 4. Use Depop's analytics and insights. This will help you understand your audience and make informed decisions. In conclusion, Depop Marketplace is a powerful tool for fashion enthusiasts and resellers. By following this step-by-step guide, you can create a successful Depop store, promote your items, communicate with buyers, manage your finances, and grow your business. Remember to always provide excellent customer service, be professional and polite, and stay up to date with the latest trends and features. Good luck!